Of the press, thank you very, very much as always. I thank you for your support of our party, and thank you for being there always to hear us and then to protect our democracy. Communique issued at the end of the 98th meeting of the National Executive Committee, NEC, of the People's Democratic Party today, Thursday, April 18, 2024. The National Executive Committee of our great party, the PDP, at its 98th meeting today, Thursday, April 18, 2024, thoroughly assessed the state of affairs of the nation and the party and resolved as follows. 1. NEC commends all the organs of the party for their collective resilience, steadfastness, and commitment towards the unity, stability, and sustenance of our great party despite daunting challenges. Number 2, NEC also commend members of the PDP, with particular reference to the youths and women, for their courage in resisting the antics of the divisive and anti-people All Progressive Congress, especially its desperation to emasculate the opposition and force a one-party state on our nation. NEC expresses concern over the implemented policies of the insensitive APC administration, leading to worsening insecurity, harrowing economic hardship, soaring unemployment rate, high cost of food and other necessities of life, with pervading misery and despondency across the country. NEC expresses serious apprehension over the spread of acts of terrorism and violence, including the escalated cases of mindless killing, mass abduction of innocent Nigerians, and marauding of communities in various parts of the country. NEC condemns the insensitivity, nonchalance, incompetence, and arrogance and failure of the APC administration, which continues to conduct itself in a manner that shows that it has no iota of interest or commitment towards the well-being of Nigerians. 6, NEC also condemns the creeping totalitarianism and tendency towards a one-party state, which is inimical to the peace, stability, and corporate existence of our nation, as well as the development of democracy and good governance in the country. 7, NEC, after due consideration, demand that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu should urgently convene a special National Security Council meeting to provide a holistic solution and measures to curb the disturbing insecurity with its attendant negative consequences on our national life. NEC also demands that President Tinubu should immediately rejig his economic team to bring in persons of proven integrity and incompetence without bias and vested interest to assist in repositioning the economy. 9, NEC further demands that the federal government should review all policies and programs which are stifling the economy and suffocating effect on the lives of citizens, including the increase in price of fuel without cushioning measures, hike in electricity tariff, increased taxation, and implementation of adverse fiscal policies. 10, NEC charges all organs, leaders, critical stakeholders, and indeed all members of the PDP to close ranks, jettison every personal or group interest, and work together in the effort to reposition and return the PDP to power at the center in the interest of the Nigerian people. Consequently, NEC received and approved the timetable for party congresses across the country. 12, NEC also approved the reconstruction of the party, the reconstitution of the party disciplinary and reconciliation committees of the party to further ensure the stability of the party. 13, similarly, NEC approved the extension of the life of the party amendment and review committee to allow it to receive new amendment proposals for inclusion in its deliberation and final report for consideration by NEC. 14, NEC commended the effort of the National Working Committee in its effort towards rebranding the party, including the new logo of the PDP, which is widely accepted by the party members and Nigerians in general. NEC charges all party members to continue to work together for the success of the party, for the benefit of Nigerians, and the sustenance of democracy in our country. I thank you very much for listening.